Hey Google, set an alarm for 5 minutes from now.
Done. Your alarm's set for 11:35 p.m.
All right, so I am going to live on the edge. Yes, I found a bad RAM chip. I am not going to pull out the other one as of this moment. I'm going to take my solder and put a socket in. And by telling the thing, Google over there, that I want 5 minutes, that is enough time for the iron, I think, to warm up. So I have the socket in position. Now, I need to see about getting things flipped over, get into position where they can be seen while I am working on them. And we're not there yet. Just a moment. Nope, we're off the board. Where am I? Oh, I'm way off. Okay, hang on. I need to tilt this up a bit. Aha! A little bit more. Alright. Can I zoom in a little more? I can a little more. Alright, so that is where the socket is. Waiting to go in, and thankfully it is sitting there nicely, not trying to fall out. Now I gotta keep an eye on this other camera, because this other phone I've been using, it has built a mind of its own where it thinks that I've done things and pressed things, and then, like, I had it all set up to do video, and suddenly I look over, it's on square. This is peculiar. Alright, time for a drink. Cheers. By the way, this is the first time that I have ever done surgery on a board from a disk drive such as this. And what am I switching? The same thing I did out of the pet. The very same thing, the 2114 chip. Now, let's put this on the iron for a second. Woo! Well, we might not have to wait for that alarm. Hey Google, cancel all alarms.
Okay, the alarm for 11:35 p.m. is canceled.
So, the other thing I was going to say is when you're getting set up to do things like this, if you find that you're having weird cord things and they're twisted and they're whatever that's going to cause you troubles, the time to sort that out is when the iron is cold. Now, I'm sure, I think, that iron, well, it's mostly cold. I don't really want to ruin the cord of this one on the desoldering iron. Alright. So, careful. Never grab the shiny part. The black shiny part is fine. The silver part. And of course, remember, if you are not comfortable doing this, don't do it. Just don't do it. Alright, we'll lay some solder on there. Ew, that doesn't look so good. And we'll lay some solder in this corner. So that then the socket should be secured. And that one did not flow. I think it flowed there, but I think I might have got a little. I need to go at a little higher angle so as not to singe the board. That I don't think flowed. I'm trying to go at a very high angle. There's one thing I don't have here that I kind of wish I did. That is a sponge. I'll have to work on that. Anyway, I'm going to go at a high angle. I'm seeing a lot more dark stuff on here that I would like. Hang on. Let's see if using this stand, maybe there's extra crap on here. I think there is. All right. Let's see how that goes. I'm trying to hold the solder at a good distance so as not to be in the way of the camera as things happen. Wow. Oh, you know what? One of the black marks I see that I was worried about is indeed the Sharpie. And why is there a Sharpie mark there? Well, to make sure that I do the right chip. And this is going, I think, pretty well, although, say, there's more dark marks on the board than I would care to see. Now the cord is not giving me grief, but it's trying to. It's hanging off the table. I do not like that, because I could gonk it and the iron could come and get me. Okay, now time to take out the very strong glasses and have a very close look. You know what I might do? Because, of course, when I do this, my head gets in the way. Ah, not the solder. And light. Light is important. Oh, I'm probably in the way. Well, I think that's pretty okay. So, I'm going to unplug this iron. Take the board out of there. Flip it over. And have a look. It does seem there is a socket there. Imagine. And here are other, excuse me, RAM chips that I made use of out of, oh, sorry, my glasses are fighting with the tripod. Hello, glasses, let go. Oh, they're right. Oh my god. Talk about how everything can go wrong. Okay. So here is another 2114 chip. The pins look fine, the pins look good. I put the socket in, making note of the witness mark, which is See that little white thing there? That little indent? That means the chip is supposed to go that way. And poof, it's in. So now I need to wait for the soldering iron to cool down before I do anything. The other thing I need to do, of course, is I need to repopulate this board because I have stolen things out of it. But it'll be interesting to see what's what, because of course the other board that I've been using and tinkering with has been causing issues in the drive where it takes 10 minutes to warm up. Now, am I going to find anything that's different with this? I don't know. I just don't know. Who knows? Anyway, so we have extracted the chip, found a bad chip, put in a socket, put in a replacement. It is time to let the iron cool, move the drive into position, take out the board, put this board in, repopulate this board, and give it a go. Now, because I've only decided to do the one, I suspect we'll be back here sucking out the solder from another. Or who knows, maybe some other error message will appear. We'll see. I would like to think that my gamble has been correct. Oh, Penny. Penny, there are hot things here. You cannot be here. Oh no, Penny, Penny. Penny, you can't come up. There's a hot iron here. You will scream forever. I have your tail. Okay, Penny, look out the door. I know, it's dark out there. Look out the door. Nice cat. But you can't come up here right now. You cannot. Alright, so, oh dear. We are in a low battery situation over here. I guess we should charge. And who knows what we're on here. Anyway, thanks for coming. Stay tuned for the next exciting episode where we see if the gamble paid off. Say goodnight, Penny. Good night, Penny.